Students, in third semester in English, third unit, we have two short stories. One is The Interpreter of Melodies. The other one is The Beloved Charioteer. The Beloved Charioteer is written by Shashi Deshpande. Shashi Deshpande was born in 1938 in Karnataka. She is an award-winning Indian novelist, and she got degrees from economics and law in Mumbai University, and she published her first collection of short stories in 1978. In 1978, she published her short stories. In her short stories, especially The Beloved Charioteer belongs to the family affair. In this family, we can see three characters. The three characters are mother and her daughter and granddaughter. The granddaughter name is Preeti and the daughter name is Aarti. We can see here three generations. These three women lives in a house, living together. Here, beloved charioteer. Who is the beloved charioteer in this lesson? We can see. Before that, what is beloved? Beloved means loved ones. You loved by others, or you love others in your family, like blood relatives, brothers and sisters, and parents. We may call them beloved, means our relatives, our kith and kin, our brothers and sisters, even our siblings. They are all our beloveds. Beloveds means here those who taking care of us. They are the beloveds. And charioteer. You know, if a man drives a car, we call him car driver. If a man drive a bus, we call him bus driver. For driving, there are persons, they are doing their profession. Here, every family needs a driver. Driver means, in the sense, the family, elder, master of the family. Here, charioteer means, a charioteer is one who drives a chariot. Chariot. The charioteer who drives the chariot. Like that, the family was driven by father. When father dies and mother take charge as a driver of that family. Means she taking care of her family. Driver means here the family manager, master, father, like that. Here, charioteer, one who drives chariot, charioteer. And who is the most famous charioteer in India? We can see that. So let us see in this short story, we have different characters. That three different characters are mother and her daughter and her daughter. Means to her, she is a daughter and granddaughter. Granddaughter. Daughter is Arti and granddaughter is Preeti. In this story, My Beloved Charioteer is written by Shashi Deshpande. Already I mentioned that she was born in Karnataka and she was MA English, 1970, University of Mysore. And the central theme of this story, short story, she tries to show the relationship of grandmother. Here, she lost her husband. When she lost her husband and she is taking charge of her family and she is driving her family, she had a daughter. Her name is Arti and she had also daughter. Arti also had a daughter. Her name is Preeti. In these three women, among these, mother is taking charge of the family. Okay, and she tries to make relationship between daughter and granddaughter, because the daughter relationship as well as women role as a wife, mother, daughter relationship is like sister and sparing parentness. They care for each other because Arti father died. Arti father died and her mother making relationship or maintain the family in a good manner. Everything is going smoothly and suddenly what happened now? Arati also lost her husband. Arati also lost her husband. Now there are two widows. There are two widows in this family. There is no father, there is no husband. For them, they have no responsibility the taking personality in their family. Three are women, and they are loving each other when the starting of the story, and slowly the relationship has gone between mother and daughter. They are always arguing each other, and the story is based on three generations. There were three women, grandmother and mother and daughter. They are different mindsets. They have different mindsets. These three women, including Preeti, they have different mindsets. In that family, there is no male person. They're all women. And that's the reason they have their own thinking. They have their own work. No one could not control them. But mother, she is taking care of her daughter, even her granddaughter. That time, she was addicted, smoking, and other bad habits. And she's always sleeping, Arati, and taking smoking cigarettes, and she's looking mildly, and she's talking herself, and she's not taking her daughter Preeti. So, and she observed everything. As a mother, she observed everything. The condition of Arati, she was afraid of behavior of Arati. And sometimes she attempted suicidal attempts. And she want to close her life. And that's the reason mother always taking care Arati. At the same time, she is taking care of Preeti. Preeti's mother Arati, she is not taking care, and she is not talking anyone in that family. That's the reason mother, she play an important role in that family. As a mother, she plays an important role. She is looking after Arati and Preeti. So whenever Preeti, she want to talk with her mother, she is rejected. Arati is rejected. She is rejecting Preeti to talk with her. See, here in this lesson, Arati behavior, everything is different, and she was in depressed mood. Arati was in depressed mood. She is always in a depression, talking herself, smoking cigar, looking on the walls, and she is doing herself, making herself like that. And she is neglected Preeti, her daughter. While she was neglected by her mother and she meets or she close to with grandmother. As a grandmother, play an important role taking care of Preeti like a mother, because Preeti had no grandfather, Preeti had no father. That's the reason she is close to grandma, with granny. She does not talk anyone, neither to her daughter Preeti and nor to her mother. Aarti does not talk her daughter, even her mother. The daughter named, already I mentioned that, Preeti. Preeti, the youngest. She is the most erratic character, energetic character. She was most energetic. While they lived together in that house, but the relations were off. The broken relations, and the grandmother had taken care Preeti. And we can see in that lesson, the beloved charioteer, my beloved charioteer depicts the life of mother's nature and behavior, not as generous. Aarti behavior not as generous. She is scolding, and sometimes Aarti upset, mentally disturbed, and she became a chain smoker, always smoking cigarette. And look at the idly on the walls, and sometimes look at her husband's picture and her father's portrait, and sometimes she took them, the portrait of her husband and father, and she is weeping, and sometimes she is shouting and making mischievous things. And Preeti and the mother, they were horror, they were troublesome. They are getting trouble by Aarti. See, in this lesson, we can see full of emotions as well as frustrations, and not a perfect being. Full of emotions. Here, mother, and she's thinking always, what will happen to this family? And what will happen to Preeti if she lost even her mother? And Preeti will become parentless, like an orphan. And she is thinking always her granddaughter, who will take care of her if Aarti lost her life. This is always thinking, she is thinking always about Preeti as well as Aarti. In this lesson, we can see My Beloved Charioteer by Shashi Deshpande, writer, and she mentioned the generations. In these generations, 3 generations, these 3 are all women. And once they lost their husbands and family member, the father, and how the family was disturbed, she write in this lesson. See, if there is no father, if there is no husband, if there is no male person in the family, automatically the family became ruin and restless. So she mentioned that in this story, in a short story. Let us see what the character of Preeti, and we can see in the story, Preeti mother Arati already mentioned that she is a widow. Here Arati is a widow, and Preeti is an energetic younger daughter character. Her father and grandfather had both died. Her mother does not talk to her. Arati does not talk to her. And she has no beloved ones. She is also thinking loneliness. She is thinking always lonely. She feels loneliness. And her caretaker, Preeti's caretaker, granny, her caretaker, her best friend, Preeti's best friend, grandmother. When Preeti is gone, silence settles in the house. Her mother does not talk to anyone. How she feel? If anyone in our house, in our home, in our family, the person does not talk and sit silently, and they make mischievous things, and how you will feel? And she's also feeling alone. And sometimes she is crying the condition of her mother. And that time she is grandma taking care of her. And to her daughter Preeti, means Arati, to her daughter Preeti, nor to her mother, both of them, I mean Preeti and mother, both of them, they are very close, they are talking each other, and that time Arati is scolding. She even scolds Preeti for no reasons. She is scolding on even mother and scolding on even her daughter. In between this situation, Preeti feeling so sad. And she is always thinking her grandfather and her father. Why both were died? What happening in this family? She was a younger one, like a child. She is thinking so many ways. And she want to, in the family, a peaceful atmosphere. But in that family, there is no peaceful atmosphere. And she is neglected by her mother. And she was scolded by her mother in a helpless condition and frustration. And we can see which is considered to be a manly trait in carried off a woman. That time, to smoothly run this family, to a charioteer need. For chariot, the charioteer need, like that, this family needs a charioteer. We can see in this lesson, mother or Preeti or Arati, they have no family driver. Like there is no father and there is no husband. Who will drive? Who will taking care of them? All this mentioned by Shashi Deshpande amazingly, and she wrote this story. And this type of situations we can see in many families. If there is no father, if there is no husband, that time the families are not run smoothly. And she is working, earning her, breaking the domestic relations, restrictions. She is working hard work. Mother, as a mother, she want to drive them. She want to feed them. She want to make them silence. She want to run the family smoothly. She is working from morning to till evening. She is toiling, working hard, and she fed them as a driver. She fed them like as a father. She want to make them happy and to support the family. Aggressive when a woman is supposed to be patient. There is like a patient. Arati, in that family, she is like a patient, mentally disturbed, and to make her happy, to give her good support, she is trying as a mother trying in many ways to make them happy, to run the family smoothly. Here, let us see. She worked, earned more, even she used to smoke. As a mother, she worked the welfare of the Arati and Preeti, but Arati always smoking, sleeping, and she spent the money wastely. And she has no responsibility, the family relationship. She is not maintain the family relationship. Simply she is sitting in a room and close the doors, and she is making herself in a bad way, and she is out of control. That time, mother worked for them and give them support, and she want to bring them back from the frustration, from that type of darkness, from that bad behavior. She is trying to many ways to bring her back. And smoking, which is considered to be a mainly trait, is carried off by a woman. Arati work is only smoking. It carried her. It is destroy her life. And that is the reason sometimes she want to kill herself. She want to suicide herself. But mother always protect her. We can see the love of mother. The love of mother is always in every inch. We can see the motherly love, beloved mother. Arati's mother is a beloved mother, and she is taking care Arati as well as Preeti. This mother play an important role in this story. If she is not taking care of them, and they also destroy themselves. But as a responsible mother, Arati's mother, responsible mother, she is taking care in every aspect. She fed them, she taking care of them, she loved them, and sometimes she fated them for their welfare, for their livelihood. This story, we've seen that the motherly love and her protection and care. So, we people, we also taking care of our lives. We should not go like and behave like Arati, and she behaves like that, and she was away from her daughter, and there is a gap between Arati and Preeti, but that gap fulfilled by her mother. Students, whenever you also maintain good relationship in your family, don't hurt anyone in your family, and to everyone be lovable and taking care of them and live a good life. Okay, we are going to finish all our sessions. Already in third unit, I finished that beloved charioteer and the interpreter of melodies. These short stories, actually long stories,